again?
It looks like a pair of cadaver feet have been attached to my legs.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Last day in the woods.
Yeah, what a way.
Maybe I should just go dunk this in a puddle. Eating texture out of bags in a circle, we ranked our dehi meals, eyeing each other's. That'd be our last night sleeping in a hut. The man who lived there 116 years prior never would have dreamed of its significance to us. 5 to 4 bunks, rising to the alarm of whistling kiwi. Our final morning of wilderness. Oh my god, I'm trying not to laugh so hard. Why are you
I'm in mourning.
in
You're in
morning?
morning. Yeah. Last day in the bush.
Yeah. Last day. I think we are refusing to leave the final hut. Alright.
One of my friends, before I left, he said, I hope you find what you're looking for, and I hadn't even realised I was looking for something when I left. I think initially when I set off I was looking for just, a beautiful walk, but I wound up finding a bit more than that, I think. I found particularly walking solo, is almost like a form of meditation. At some point you run out of thoughts, and then you're just present. Feeling quite sad that the trail's actually almost coming to an end. I've only got sort of 2-3 days of walking left to go now. I think we just saw a sign for 88 kilometres from here to Bluff, so that's sort of come up quite suddenly.
Where was that?
Left to my own devices, right on the big old highway. The sound gets in your bones. Everybody driving 90. Love's not a destination. I think it's a journey home. So what if mine's on the line?
Before I fly back and do my final day to Bluff. Oh my god, I really need to pee. Be right back. Today I'm walking about 44k. Half of that is beach, so we're right back where we started. back to 90 Mile Beach days. But it is a weird feeling knowing that today's my last full day of walking before the end. Did I ever leave 90 Mile Beach? Is this what's happening? I've been on this beach the whole time. Seems the only fishing way to end. Thanks, Jeff.
Back to the old horizons. Hello, silver lining. The past gets in your bones.
I think this is it. I think I'm at
Summer, the worlds collide.
off the beach.
Fall off the big old highway. Spring in a hand to hold. So what if I
Stand firmly on the floor and hold your lower legs. If there's no seat in front of you,
With one final day left to the end, I did the unimaginable. Another promise to another friend, I wouldn't miss their big day.
Wow.
And now I could finish the way I'd regretted not starting it. I could finish with my 2 younger brothers. Final morning. How we doing?
Great.
How we feeling?
I don't know, it hasn't hit me yet. I think once we see the Bluff sign it'll hit.
You reckon?
Yeah.
You gonna cry?
I don't know. Maybe.
You gonna cry to get me?
crazy. It's kind of bittersweet and feeling quite emotional, but so excited to be done. Just like the absolute achievement that you feel in the end is so good. The most insane experience of my life. Wait, are you gonna get up on this?
Alright, so we got about 8.5k left to go. It's definitely starting to get hard.
Wild wind, ooh, I wanna meet again. Take me to that ocean. Take me to the lands in a scar beneath the horizon. Just tell me when we're going. I'm not gonna give up. Oh no, 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 I'm not gonna give up.
How you feeling?
I wrote in my journal that there at that point, I wasn't ready for it to end. I wasn't ready to let go. Final K.
Just yet.
Let me see it. If I were to give a reason for why I was out there, all I could really say was a feeling. A journey for anyone, but maybe not for everyone, because there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. At that time and that place, this was mine, on this one long pathway.
I'm not gonna give up. Ooh, no, 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 I'm not gonna give up. Ooh, no, 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 I'm not gonna give up. No, I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Ooh, no, 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 I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Ooh, no, 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 I'm not gonna give up. I'm not letting go.
Released.
Be free.
Yeah, free. Oh yeah, but really free. Yeah. Happy. I've been through a lot. I won my mom.
Oh mate, just very happy to
I
be
saw
here
slowly
really.
back
It's amazing.
Really
One day at a time, 150 to 170 one-day walks. That's all it takes. Yeah.
Time keeps on slipping like sand through my hands. I honestly can't believe I'm as old as I am. The moon keeps on pulling the tides of this water, but who would have thought we'd have a blue-eyed daughter? Oh, blue-eyed daughter. The footsteps behind us keep washing away. The shape of the shoreline seems addicted to change. A blink of an eye, another decade flies by. Isn't it a wonder that we're even alive? We're even It's a beautiful miracle that the story goes on. It's a beautiful miracle between the sea and the sun. And the sun. The raindrops are singing on a roof made of tin. Melodies in tune with the sound of the wind. No matter how long our song goes on, isn't it a wonder this little love came along, singing her song. It's a beautiful miracle that we're even alive. It's a beautiful miracle, you and I. It's a beautiful miracle that the story goes on. It's a beautiful miracle between the sea and the sun and the sun.